Mr. David Barron, what do you think about the gas prices in the city of Los Angeles?
Well, the gas prices are very difficult for everyone, for every household throughout the city. Even here in this area where we're talking here in Mission Hills, here in San Fernando Valley, it cuts into the family's budget, cuts into their paycheck. Just recently, I was at a neighborhood council up the street here, and there was a resident there that was pleading with the neighborhood council board members, asking about what shall I do about my water bill, my electrical bill. Says, do I buy groceries or do I pay my water bill? The costs are skyrocketing here in the city of Los Angeles, and they don't need to be. The city of Los Angeles, as I said, has plenty of money coming into the coffers, into the city of LA. As I said, they're at an all-time high. What we really need is leaders, elected officials who are going to actually serve the public, not to leave their offices before their term is up and run for another office. There are plenty of leaders here in the city, within the neighborhoods, that are willing to serve and are qualified to serve, but they don't have the money because their money that comes to these other elected officials are from special interests that have millions of dollars to spend. And so it's one-sided that way. And the average citizen that really is doing the work, serving the public, can only really rely on donations from their neighbors and friends.
Yeah, that's right. So, Mr. David Barron, thank you for your comments, for your opinions, and we are here to keep this city running for the best. Thank you very much and have a good night. This is Thomas Avila, LSN 360. Thank you and good night.